I'm just leaving my jandals here.
Oh. We're at the Henty dunes. It's really steep.
Come on, Grandma. It's like about half an hour later. Still climbing. No idea what's on the other side here. Awesome tree.
Like it's gravel for 2 hours. Yeah. It's pretty slow and windy. You've just got to soak in the scenery. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Heaps here. This is the man fern actually growing out of the sassafras tree, or the sassafras is growing off the man fern, but the one behind it possibly is over 1,000 years old.
It came up the Parman River on the 13th of May, and anyway, that's the end of the trip. I hope you've enjoyed it.